There are four main aims to this video: how to open an image in Photoshop, how to crop the image, how to adjust its appearance, and to save it in suitable file formats for both an ebook and a print book. First, File, Open, and then go to wherever you've saved the file, the picture of the surfer or the lifeguard at Bondi. So the first thing I'd like you to do is crop it. You need to go to the toolbox on the left, click on the crop tool, then click and drag the activation nodes into the size that you'd like. I've asked here for a portrait orientation, so taller rather than landscape, which is wider. And so that's that done. It's pretty straightforward. Now let's just have a look at adjusting the appearance. Now we're going to have a look at auto tone. If you don't like that, hit undo. And the next thing we're going to try is auto contrast. Maybe you like that, so you keep it. Then have a look at auto color. And if you don't like that, again, undo. Control Z, of course. Okay, now let's have a look at the brightness and contrast. Adjust the brightness, contrast, something you like. If you want to move any of these windows or dialog boxes, you just click on the top and drag. And then when you're happy with it, click OK. The next thing is to look at modes. And here it's in RGB, that's for red, green, blue, the three transmission colors. That's good for an ebook. Now have a look at image size for the resolution. You'll see it's 300 pixels per inch. You can change that, but for now, just leave it at 300 pixels per inch. And we're going to save that as a JPEG file. JPEG's nice, simple graphics format, and perhaps just give it a title that indicates it's being cropped. And click save when you're ready. We've got a bit more of the title. Click save. And then it asks, well, would you like maximum quality or a lower quality? You see the size of the file varies depending on what level of quality you select. Click OK. Now I'd like you to have a look at the mode again and choose CMYK Color. This is for printing. It stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and K stands for black. It'll warn you you're changing the colors, but just click OK. So this is for a print book. So File and Save As. This can still be a JPEG. A few of you may have been told, well, use a tagged image file format, a TIFF, and that is strictly speaking correct for a print book, but a high quality JPEG is very, very commonly used even for print book covers. So we'll save it as a JPEG again, and here we are with the quality again. You can choose maximum or lower. It'll change the file size. If you don't for a print book, you may as well use maximum. And then you are pretty much done. All you need to do now is close the file.